Good morning, children. In today's revision class, let us learn the rest of the question answers. As I have given you last 5 question answers in the last revision class. Now let us learn the rest of the question answers which are very important for you. So 6 1 onwards, let us learn them. So why should you not wander off alone inside a zoological garden? We should not wander off alone inside a zoo because we can get lost. Next question. What arrangements was made to make the venue cool? The ostrich feather fans were used to make the venue cool. Next, what happens to the shadow when the speaker jumps into his bed? The shadow jumps before him when the speaker jumps into his bed. Next, what are called prepositions? Give 2 examples. Prepositions are the words that tell us where a person or thing is. We use prepositions before nouns and pronouns. Prepositions also indicate directions. For example, the glass is in the kitchen. Next, the cat jumped on the table. So the words which are underlined, those words are called in and on, are called prepositions. Next, so the words are telling that the glass is in the kitchen. So where is the glass? It's in the kitchen. Next, cat jumped on the table. So it jumped on the table. Next, the last question. What did the conspirators tell the barber to turn him against Birbal? The conspirators told the barber that Birbal took all the rewards given by the emperor. So these are the question answers that I have given you. With this we have completed our revision and learn them.